What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wes back with another Pro Tools tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about editing audio that is off beat. So either you came in too fast, you came in too late, or you said the whole bar too slowly, which is a more difficult thing to fix, but I'll show you a little bit of it anyway. I'll show you what I got. Some of it is not off beat, some of it is on beat, but some of it is really bad. I'll let you take a listen.
Every fucking time you leave, yeah. I know it's been a minute since I seen your face, but I can't waste a minute, no, I can't chase, yeah. I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna tell you how I feel and just about everything that I wrote. So when I push start trying to see you, girl, I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where.
As you heard, these two were fine. This one was weird. It's kind of off, and these were really off. So first thing you want to do, we're going to get into editing. You might have one of these selected. Just make sure that the whole thing is selected by clicking the top rectangle. Make sure you're in grid mode. Make sure your tempo is set. Watch my other video, the delay and reverb one, if you don't know how to do that. Make sure the grid is on. Set it to whatever you want. I use 1 bar. And just follow me. Just pay attention. Try to apply it to your own stuff, and it's gonna work. Like, it's fail proof. Let's go. We're gonna identify the first verse. We're gonna identify the first sentence that's off beat.
Yeah, I know it's been a minute since I seen your face, but I can't waste a minute, no, I can't chase. Yeah, I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna.
It's this one. I gotta focus on my goals. Select it. Right click, separate, or select it and hit Control B or Command B. What that's gonna do is separate the clip. My computer's acting weird. Pro Tools crashed last time I tried that, so I'm gonna do it a third way, which is select the boundaries of that sentence and hit Control B. So there's a chop. We're gonna chop it again over here. Chop, Control B. All right.
Yeah, I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna tell you.
So it doesn't.
I gotta focus on.
It might be a little bit too late. Let's move it a little bit. If it's too late, drag it to the left. If it's too early, drag it to the right.
I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna tell you.
That sounds better.
Yeah, I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna tell you.
It sounds like I said it too slowly. So we're gonna right click this button. We're gonna hit TCE, and we're gonna hover over this side. Hold down Control. Oh yeah, guys. So if you have all 3 tools selected, you're gonna have this option at the top half of the waveform, this option at the bottom half. The corners are gonna have fade options and the drag options. Ignore that. So yeah, it depends where your cursor is. So wherever it is, you have different options. Just follow what I'm doing. All right. We're going to.
I gotta focus on my goals.
Move it in a little bit.
I gotta focus on my goals.
And make sure TCE is selected. We're gonna time stretch. So if it sounds too slow, we're gonna try to squeeze it in.
I gotta focus on my goals.
Let's move it out a little bit.
I gotta focus on my goals. I gotta focus on my goals. I gotta focus on my goals.
This isn't gonna be perfect because I said it really bad to try to exaggerate what I'm talking about. If you record yourself or record somebody else, I doubt it's gonna be this bad because I've forcefully tried to make it sound this bad.
I gotta focus on my goals.
But as you can see, that's on beat. It just sounds weird because, like I said, I exaggerated it.
Focus on my goals. Focus on my goals.
Focus on.
Focus on.
Let's see what happens if we drag this in.
Gotta focus on my goals.
Too much. We're just gonna leave it at that. Next one.
I wanna tell you how I feel and just about everything that I wrote. So when I push start trying to.
That's horrible. It came in way too late. Change this back to standard. Right here, we're going to separate, bam. Now we're gonna drag this in. Notice how push start, that's the emphasizing word. A lot of times the emphasizing word is gonna line up to beat 1, which is this line on the grid. Let's try it. We're gonna line it up.
So when I'm pushed start trying to see you, girl, I'm fantasizing of me.
As you can see, this bar is good now.
So when I push start trying to see you, though when I push start,
but this one is still off.
Fantasizing of me, fantasizing of me,
it's slightly late. We're gonna move it in.
Fantasizing of me, push start trying to see you, girl. I'm fantasizing of me, fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me.
You're gonna want to drag these out to a point.
So when I push start,
hold on. Where are we? Oh yeah. You're gonna want to drag these out to a point where they blend correctly. So no spikes in the waveforms like these. Just a part where it's pretty mellow. And what you're gonna want to do is go down to this black crossfade square. Hold control, click, and drag to the left or right, whatever. We're gonna let go about there. And notice what it does. It blends it in.
You girl, I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and push start trying to see you, girl. I'm fantasizing of me and her.
I think we did it a little bit too large. Let's try it smaller.
See you, girl. I'm fantasizing of me and her.
It's fine, you know. Like in a song, nobody's gonna notice. No one's gonna tell.
Girl, I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and
so this one's on beat. We're gonna separate again for the next one.
I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where.
Line up fall asleep to this line right here.
Fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where.
That is too fast. Cause look, this one came in too early. So for this, it would be a good time to use the time stretch. We're gonna change this to TCE by right-clicking TCE and pull this out. The goal is to get this lined up. That didn't do it. Hit Control Z. We're just gonna estimate. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where.
Slightly off. Just move it a little bit faster.
Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where.
I think we just need to move this one, not the first half. So separate, drag in.
Follow me and I'll show you where.
That is on beat. Let's take a listen to the final product.
Yeah, I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna tell you how I feel and just about everything that I wrote. So when I'm pushed start trying to see you, girl, I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where. Tell you how I feel and just.
This part's off.
So when I'm pushed start trying to see you, girl. So when I'm pushed start trying to see you, girl. Trying to see you, girl.
The trying to see you girl is too fast. Let's see what happens if we move it.
So when I'm pushed start trying to see you, girl, I'm fantasizing of me.
It's pretty good. It sounds a little bit choppy. Let's try to blend.
So when I'm pushed start trying to see you, girl, I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where.
That sounds fine. And keep in mind, guys, with ad-libs and doubles, this is gonna get hidden. Like, it would already take a trained ear to tell what we did, but with everything on top, even a trained ear would have a hard time finding out what we did. So we're just gonna play it one more time.
I gotta focus on my goals. I wanna tell you how I feel and just about everything that I wrote. So when I push start trying to see you, girl, I'm fantasizing of me and her. Fall asleep and I'll meet you there. Just follow me and I'll show you where. Tell me I'll for show you where.
There it is, guys. It's a thing. It's a matter of trial and error, you know? Like, sometimes it's going to be easy, sometimes it's going to be difficult. But if you really have to and you can't redo the take to get it how you want it, you have to go in and edit. This is what it's going to take. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or video suggestions, just feel free to drop a comment or hit me up on Instagram. All my social details are going to be in the bio. In the description. Thank you guys. Please subscribe for more. Just like the video if you can. It helps a lot. And I'll see you in the next video.